Okay, say good morning. I'm going to have my first sweet potato today. Yeah, I'm going to have your first sweet potato. Okay. Don't put your... Let's put this over here. She was trying to dunk her. Okay, here it comes. First sweet potatoes. Mmm. What do we think? You like it? Here, want some more? Oops, Mommy's not good at getting it in your mouth, is she? That yummy? Yeah, I like it. How about some more? Mmm. What do you say? A little bit more? I think we like sweet potatoes. I think we like them. It's hard to hold the camera and feed you. Yummy. Good girl. I am so proud of you. I am so proud of you. Yay. Okay. Bye. Say bye. Bye. We'll see you later. Yeah.